Tesla to 300, I don't see that happening. I see Tesla to 400 happening. It's looking good on the monthly. It's transitioning, hasn't completely dealt with it, but got pretty close to it over here on this last move up. So I think that this next move up will take it beyond 300 to maybe the prior high up here, all-time high. We'll see. We'll find out probably on October 6th. Is that, or 8th? Is that when the robotaxi is going to be shown, I think. So we'll see. But yeah, it looks good to me. It looks good. Today also was a day to add to it, actually, because it broke out over the triple top. The prior high right here, and the topping tails from the last couple of days. So it's not too bad to add to it. But it's not just Tesla. The whole market in general is really, really bullish. A company that sells cars like Tesla does, big ticket items, they're like 90% of the time financed. 85, I think, on average are financed. Cars, 85% of the time they're financed. And if the interest rate drops, that encourages people to buy cars. So it's a big deal for Tesla, the interest rate cut. But the truth of the matter is, I think there's a lot of companies that have bottomed and that are going up now and looking really good long term.
Okay, so why are you bullish on the market overall still? Why do you think we can keep going from here?
Mike, what was the date last Thursday? So today is the 19th, so the 12th. I said I'd be shocked. I said I would know nothing about technical analysis if this bar got taken out. That's what I said, like word for word. Market bottomed. I mean, it's just the way it is. The market is really, really bullish. The SPY, you might not see it when it comes to the Qs because it's not at the all-time high. The SPY just is making new all-time high. In fact, yesterday it made new all-time high and got rejected. So that's bearish. But then today gapped above yesterday's high to confirm the bullishness. So the market is just incredibly bullish. A lot of people don't realize it because they look at the economy and they say it doesn't feel so bullish. I see a lot of people without jobs. Yeah, it's much harder to get a job these days, I think. I see, I go to the grocery store, everything is so expensive. It's not like before. Yes, it's a different kind of environment for sure, but the market is undoubtedly incredibly bullish. That's just the way it is.
Okay, and just so you guys know that Sami isn't full of it. So this is actually, you could see the date on this blog, September 12th, 2004.
There you go.
The market bottomed, and I still love Tesla. He didn't say he still loved Tesla. So yeah, so absolutely, Sami has been killing this market. Okay, so you said you like Ethereum. How about Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin, it looked like it was in this hideous long-term downtrend, but it's really, really woken up. So how do you feel about Bitcoin here?
I like it. It's more bullish than Ethereum, but Bitcoin, I don't have the chart of Bitcoin here. This is IBIT. You can look at Beta also, but they keep doing dividend distribution, so it's continuously in a downtrend. So I like it, but the reason why I didn't mention Bitcoin and I mentioned Ethereum is because Ethereum is at the bottom. Bitcoin is closer to the top. It's at 63,000. The all-time high on it is 73. So otherwise, yeah, I like Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin also a little bit late. It has 3 big green bars. I'm looking over here because those are the Bitcoin charts. It has 3 green bars in a row on the daily chart. So Bitcoin is not the time to buy it. Again, it's up 3 ginormous bars in a row on the daily chart. So I like Ethereum more in terms of timing, but Bitcoin is definitely more bullish. So I am very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more like, is very much like the IWM. It's up and down, up and down. But look, it's consolidating in the upper third of that range. Now look at your own charts, Bitcoin charts. It's going to look a lot better than this. And the 20 MA is catching up on the monthly chart. You don't see it here, but if you look at Bitcoin, monthly, the rising 20-period moving average is catching up. Where do you think Bitcoin's headed? 100,000 probably. There's the next stop. Who knows exactly where, but it's much higher still.